The IDM-VTON virtual outfit changing technology is implemented in ComfyUI as follows. First, extract the clothing you want to replace, then input a person image, a dancer pose image, and a mask image. So what form does this mask image take? It's not an alpha channel, it's black and white. Take another photo of the clothes we want to replace, set the width and height, make sure the aspect ratio looks natural, then generate it. Just let it go sometimes. The hints are right here. If you want to work on the masking image, you can do it outside of the software. For example, you can complete it in Photoshop or use other plugins to create the mask. That's all possible. The white part shows where it has an effect. In terms of performance, I think it's quite good. I've used the IDM-VTON integration package before, and the result was also very good. After coming out, I selectively zoom in on the recent AuraSR. Go through this zoom to make it slightly clearer. This place definitely can't use something like high-resolution scaling. Of course, connecting a supplier should also be fine. There is another technique called an arbitrary door, but my experience shows it's not as good as IDM-VTON. Navigate to RunningHub AI or click the link in the introduction to register and get 120 GB. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click start AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.